Welcome to my Me Time Monday Wellness Hack on 7 Wellness Hacks to help you move it or lose it. This is a Me Time Monday Wellness Hack, which is part of our self-care in 7-minute solution video series. I'm Sherri Snelling, gerontologist, author of Me Time Monday, and CEO of the Caregiving Club. In today's modern world, we practically have every daily activity done for us. A dishwasher that washes our dishes, a microwave that cooks our food, a washing machine that washes our clothes, and even an electronic robot that sweeps our floors. This lack of simple, everyday physical activity has created a sedentary lifestyle of convenience, but a whole list of unhealthful side effects such as obesity and mental health issues. There is a saying in gerontology that longevity is based on the move it or lose it theory. As I take you through these 7 wellness and self-care hacks, I will tap into how we were more active in childhood and how some of these simple activities we should have never outgrown. Number 1, do simple chores. Simple chores have been studied and advised by numerous health and behavior modification experts as having both physical and emotional health benefits. By doing simple chores, you not only boost your physical activity, but you also have a dopamine release of accomplishing and completing a task. Some 7-minute hacks are starting your day by making your bed, washing the dishes after you eat. The sudsy warm water is soothing, especially if you're a family caregiver experiencing compassion fatigue. Also, some of the world's great business minds like Bill Gates wash the dishes because it makes them free think, which is a practice of letting your mind flow freely for creative problem solving. Number 2 is walk more. Walking is probably the number 1 move it or lose it ritual and routine to adopt for healthy aging. We use our muscles and limbs, but we are also lubricating our joints, which is needed to keep cartilage supple. And walking outside in nature enhances brain health and reduces our Alzheimer's risk. 7-minute hacks include walking the dog. You reduce dementia risk for both you and your pet. Number 2 is you can park further away from the entry to your office or a grocery store or a shopping mall to get more steps in. And also walk the outer perimeter of the grocery store. Typically, this is where the fresh food like seafood, fruits, and veggies are. You not only get in more steps, but you're not enticed to shortcut by going down the aisles where packaged food is that can increase your inflammation. Number 3 is practice pedal power. Remember your childhood bike? You could probably ride for hours, and if your mom was like mine, the only rule was to be home before the streetlights were on. Bike riding is great for cardiovascular health. Since we spend 95% of our time indoors, bike riding helps get you into the sunshine, which increases your vitamin D and your feel-good hormone of serotonin. But it also connects us to nature, which enhances our brain health. Some 7-minute hacks are you can ride your bike to the store or with a friend or around the neighborhood with your kids. You can also use a stationary bike. If you have a video screen, you can choose a nature scene. The cardio effort will boost the endorphins, which are your feel-good hormone for pain relief. And you can even think about the latest trend in elliptical foot pedal devices that you can use under your desk. Number 4 is just dance. The exuberant ending of the 1984 film Footloose, where everyone cuts loose on the dance floor, is an iconic example of how dancing makes us joyful. Dancing can be both solo or social. Either way, it boosts your endorphins and serotonin, and if done with others, your oxytocin feel-good hormones. Some 7-minute hacks are turn on the morning tunes to get a happy start to your day. If you have a stressful day or conversation, don't stew, just put on the earbuds and dance it out to Taylor Swift's Shake It Off or Whitney Houston's I Want to Dance with Somebody. Number 3, shake your booty while making dinner, and remember the saying, dance like no one is watching. Number 5 is embrace gentle movement. One of the great things about yoga and other practices like Tai Chi is that you can do it almost anywhere. You don't need special clothes, and you can do it in 7-minute increments. These gentle movement activities build strength and calm at the same time. They also slow down a fast-paced world and make us focus on our breathing and our bodies. So some 7-minute hacks are to try chair yoga. You can search YouTube for video guidance. Now, Tai Chi is typically done in small groups in a park setting, but again, you can find apps or videos to guide you through the graceful, slow movements that you can do anywhere. So try wall push-ups. Set a timer for 7 minutes or less, or do anywhere from 5 to 10 push-ups against the wall to build your core strength. Try doing lunges or squats while you're waiting for your lunch to cook in the microwave. Number 6 is let's get dirty. Gardening is a great example, an amazing physical and emotional wellness practice. Putting your hands in the dirt feels good, and watching things you plant grow is life-affirming. And for caregivers, it can provide hope during tough times. Gardening includes bending and squatting, but if you are older, you can still enjoy getting your hands dirty with elevated garden beds. And best of all, it gets us outside and connects us with nature, which again boosts our brain health and can be done in short spurts of time. And finally, number 7 is find blue wellness. Getting to the ocean or lake may take more than 7 minutes, but finding what is known as blue wellness has numerous health benefits. One study found sea air accelerates our ability to absorb oxygen and creates more restorative sleep. Water is also a multi-sensory, immersive experience of the 5 senses, and experts find more people become creative problem solvers when immersed in water, whether that is in an ocean plunge or a morning shower. Some 7-minute hacks are to walk along the beach or around the lake if you happen to be on vacation or live in an area that has that. If you're lucky enough to have a pool in your backyard or even in your community, take a water aerobics class at a local gym or just spend a few moments walking in the shallow end. The resistance of the water is great low-impact cardio activity that also builds muscle strength. You can also take a dip in your tub. Even 7 minutes of soaking can be soothing to your body and is shown to boost immunity. It also helps your mental health. Or try the new cold plunge for a brisk energizer, but only if you have a healthy heart, and do it with a friend so the shock of the cold doesn't overwhelm you. And again, only for 5 minutes, not 7 minutes, which is recommended. I hope you enjoyed this Me Time Monday wellness hack. Every Monday, I will have a new self-care in 7 minutes video. You can find more information in my book, Me Time Monday, The Weekly Wellness Plan, to find balance and joy for a busy life, or visit MeTimeMonday.com or CaregivingClub.com. Take care and stay well.